Okay, we're doing business environment unit. Yes. So where we up to in term of, have you started? You had any lessons before or not?
No, I've got access to like the portal, and I've gone through all the general documents, and I've had a look at the learning outcomes for Unit 1. But I just sort of wanted to go through it so I can then sort of know which direction I'm heading in, if that's okay.
Yes, that's absolutely fine. So just I'll try to log in business environment. I just open the unit specifications so I'll explain you very well accordingly. Then otherwise, okay. I don't think so. We met before. Yes, no.
No, we haven't, no.
So my name is Anjum Sattar. I'm working with the University of Bradford. I do some work for Leeds, and I do practice as a professional accountant. And I'm teaching good, 14, 15 years now. So I'll try my best to meet your expectation. I'll give you my email. If you have any questions, we are on the WhatsApp group. Of course, you can find the number as well there. And you can drop me message and we can go through things accordingly. Yes, it's not me, just only this lesson. It's been on, we can as well.
Lovely, thank you.
Slides, 1 minute. Okay, so one off, because the business environment is of course continues, carry on changing, it's never stay the constant. Yes, so we normally divide our learning outcome into 4 lessons. Yes, we can little bit recap on this, and if we need to book one more tutorial, I'll go through as well. So
Okay.
then how we can do assessment really, because end of the day then we have to do assessment according to the scenario.
Okay.
So this is your first learning outcome according to the unit specification, business environment unit 1.
Yes.
Okay, so explain different types and size and scope of organizations. Yes.
Yeah.
Same learning outcome you follow. So are following. So we look, the size, scope. And if you want to be enhance your understanding, maybe we heard about BBC Skillwise. Yes.
Okay.
Quite good website for the sake of to look around how business environment impact on the businesses. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If I'll ask you, are you using Nokia mobile?
What was that, sorry?
We are using still Nokia mobile. Nokia, no, not anymore.
Oh no.
So because Nokia was leading in the world but stay behind. Yes.
Oh yes, sorry.
What is the reason they not change themselves according to the environment? Yes.
Yes.
So that's why business environment is very important. So when we look around the business is a legal activity. Anything we do legal is come under business. Yes.
Yes.
We exchange goods and services. Business can be sole trader, partnership, limited company. Yes, type of ownership.
Okay.
So if you want to start a sole trader, you can 1%, partnership 2 to 20. Okay, so that's the limited liability. If like companies, we can register it in the company house. Yes, limited liability means no one claim it from your personal asset.
Yes.
So these are the slides indicate these, which yes, if you want to go in detail, like partnership 2 to 20, partnership act, we don't need to remember things, but things are there.
Okay.
Company act, which we follow. Then we included the quiz. It's a comparison between each type of ownership. Yes, size, sole trader, what are the advantages, partnership, what are the advantages, yes, or what are the disadvantages for each. So this slide indicates clearly. Demand in the market always carry on changing, and because the business environment, So we included some. This slide is all indicates demand and supply. Like prices go up, demand go down.
Yeah.
Prices go down. This is generic. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So we included little videos on it and some these the elasticity mean change. Sometimes we little change in the price is significant impact on the demand. Yes.
Yeah.
So supply is when prices go up, supply go up. As a supplier, we supply more goods when the prices go up.
Okay.
So that's which we included little video on this, but we go through this in our assignment, which I'll explain you when we'll go through. Then we have stakeholders. Stakeholders mean anyone who has any interest in the business.
Okay.
That's we call stakeholders. Yes.
Yes.
So stake mean interest. So that's which we'll look in details. We have some. Have you listened the recording? These lessons recording as well.
No, I've only got on my portal. There's I think like 3 videos. That don't. There's no.
Maybe they not transfer the data on the new R portal because they set up now.
Yeah, because I was just like a little bit confused on what to follow and what to go by because I haven't got anything like this.
Okay.
Not on the portal, so it sort of confused me a bit. I didn't know where to start and where to.
Yeah. I'm going to share with you the book as well. Yes.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Topic, you can go back and you can read.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you very much.
This is stakeholders. Stakeholders can be within the company, within or outside the company, internal versus external, key or secondary, major or minor. Yes.
Okay.
This is all discussion on this. Sorry, okay. I'm not going word by word because it will be too much for you. Okay.
No, that's absolutely fine. I just sort of wanted a brief outline. So yeah, that's fine.
This is was the lesson 1 according to. Then we went through the second lesson, which is our LO2. Yes, each LO we cover normally used to be because the people short version now. And if anyone's struggling, we can arrange more lessons with them.
Right, okay, no worries.
So trying to show you the slide 2. Can you see the lecture slide 2? No? No, you can't. Maybe 1 second. Some reasons. So now hope you can see it. So, yes. Can you?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yeah.
Okay, sorry. That's which we're looking now. In this one, we included some organization structure. Yes, in different organizations like flat, tall, and like in some organization they have this type of structure, like the flat structure, decentralized. Some organization have the centralized structure that we discussed in this lesson. What I'll do, I'll arrange it. I'll send you, in a good shape. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Marketing is one of the function within the company. Like we have the production, we have marketing, we have HR. Yes, these we call functional areas.
Okay. To
function in a company, we need to be look around, and we included in these slides marketing departments. Yes, and what we do in marketing. All we included. We included some models, theories, strategies, which we look in detail. Yes, which are.
So all of the information is going to be on here.
Yes, which I'll share with you. I'll arrange.
Amazing. Okay, that's great. Thank you.
They uploaded the thing because normally we follow the uploaded one, but I think so the data not being fully transferred on the new one. Maybe. That's why you can't see it. It should be. I'll ask this evening.
Yeah, if there's anything, like any recorded sessions or anything, I'm not sure. Or
no, we have plenty of lessons because we use this unit is more common and we deliver a lot. Yes.
Yes. No, that's great. Thank you.
Okay. Then we have LO3. Second LO we discuss about organization structure. Third LO is use of contemporary example to demonstrate both positive and negative influence impacted by MACRO. When we say MACRO, like we used to be microchip in our phone. Yes, is now SIM card. Like micro means small. Yes.
Yes.
So MACRO is mean big, external. We can't control it. We have to adopt it. Like national minimum wage is increased by 12 pound and 71 pence. Yes, so we can get all the environmental factors. So I suggest you we use the website ONS. I'm not sure you have used it. ons.gov.uk.
Okay.
Thus we can find how much is the inflation, how much is our GDP growth rate, different segment of population where we want to find the areas business. So we can look at all the variables there. That's quite good website to look things.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, second, quite good if you want to look around, like any topic you type in Google search and say tutor to you. Yes, which is just for the sake of I'm recommending. We have our own, but extra bit. Okay.
Perfect.
So in your unit, we've been given indicative content. Each learning outcome, you have indicative content. What are the key term of each area?
Yes.
So that's, if any term you not get it, so what you can do, you can write down what we'll do. We'll go through in detail. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So what I'll do, I think so. If you let me know your availability, we can rebook 1 or 2 lessons with you. Yes. And we can go through in detail all LOs. Yes.
Yeah.
So when we say business environment can be internal versus external. Yes.
Yeah.
And when we look the business environment, we have political environment, social environment. Yes, these are all the variables. So understand variables. So you can say P is a political. What's come under political stability in the country? We can look wherever we want.
Yeah.
Economics, we can look around interest rate, inflation, and all. Under social, we can look around education, living conditions, people. Yes, social variables. And technology, we look around the change in AI, machine learning. Yep, all the technology. So these are variables, So we have to adjust our business operation.
Yes.
So that's, which we can, and that's we have, so what is we meant by business environment definition. We included some activities, yes, and we included different types of variables come under each element, political, economic, social, technology. Yeah, so that is the key of this unit is micro and macro environment. Then we included plenty of examples under these slides. Yes, when you're looking inflation, you're looking controlling employment, business cycles, yes, growth, maturity, and decline, house, where at the moment. We as a business, yes, internally,
yeah,
externally as well. Okay, so that's we have in this LOs, which we'll further look in. That's our LO3, learning outcome 3.
Okay, perfect.
So then we have in next lesson, we discuss about our LO4.
Okay.
So LO4 is, we discuss about the strength, weaknesses of different as a company. Yes, so we recommended some models. So S is strength, W is weaknesses of the company or the businesses. That is internal. Yes, SW is the internal and OT come from external.
Okay.
Yes, outside the company. So that's we explain micro, macro again. Yes, we look around analysis, different models, SWOT. Yes, SWOT. So which we'll use in when we'll do assignment. Yes, whichever company or the scenario will follow, we look the strength of the company, we look the area of development, we look the opportunity in the business, we look the thread by looking external environment. Yes, if we don't have an online presence, so that's I'll give you all these. I'll send you. Okay, if you don't mind to let me know when your next availability, so I can arrange one more session and I'll give you assignment brief. I can lay down everything for you and I can
Yes.
tell you before.
I can do Monday at 4:15 p.m. if that's any good.
Monday 4:15. So normally I'm teaching Monday. My student normally leave 4:30. Is there any?
Oh, I can do it after. That's fine.
Yes, approximately that point my student leaves, so I can go through the details.
Yeah. Oh, so Monday at 4:30. Is that okay?
Yes, 4:30. So what we can do, we can plan. I'll send you the book. You have my email?
I'm not sure.
No, no problem. I can share with you my email. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And we have, if you look in the group, you can find my number as well. WhatsApp. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Now, if any reasons, sometimes mails not going in, I'll share with you. I'll find on our group, and
Yeah.
I'll share with you the books. I'll share with you all the learning outcome material. Yes,
Yes.
I'll share with you. I will
Amazing.
share with you the recording. So this week, until that point, if you just scroll down, go through, yes,
Yeah.
then we can go through assignment brief and we can say, okay, this task where you can find things, how you can, how you can reference.
Yeah, that would be amazing. Thank you.
Because otherwise, we're just talking generic. Yes, we look the assignment brief
Yeah.
and say this model is available here, how we can reference, how we can write.
Yeah, perfect.
And I'll give you some sample old assignments.
Yes, amazing. Thank you.
So that's help you. So like it being used for company A, you are doing company B. So you can have exactly the same model you can apply to company B.
Yes.
So we can look around the variable for company. Yes?
Yeah.
That will be easier and we can look around all these models.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'll say to our office, I'll book, and I'll say to them, please upload all the previous recording.
Yeah.
And all the learning outcome and assignment brief and things. Yes. Putting in order, and I'll share with you all in by tomorrow sometime.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Thank you very much.
Because that's make more logically and flow wise is right. Not just I'm just moving around the slides. So we can create well. Huh?
Yeah, no, that would be good. Thank you.
Okay, so nice to meet you. What we'll do, we'll arrange this on Monday. Yes,
Yeah.
tutorial, and which we'll go through from assignment brief to all the learning outcome, how we can embed. Before we share with you, you can scroll down as convenient for you. Yes, and
Yeah.
book.
I'll
I'll
have a
give you
look.
one or two or three books as well by
Yeah.
downloading ebooks. I'll send you. So if you need to be referenced, them you can reference.
Yeah.
I'll just list all the website in one email. Yes.
Yes.
On message, so you can whenever you think task one which is relevant resource, task two which is relevant resource, task three is which is relevant, where you
Yeah.
can, and plus sample assignment.
Yeah, that would be great. Thank you. And then that'll make a lot more sense to what I've got at the moment.
Sometimes because when we maybe it's a new, if we not went through the lesson wise, yes, step by
Yeah.
so that will help you.
Amazing. Thank you very much.
Very welcome and nice to meet you. I'm not sure which city you're from.
I'm from Essex.
Oh, okay, I'm from Leeds.
Oh, okay.
So nice to meet you. How's
Yes.
weather there? How's weather there? Is it nice weather there?
No, it's freezing and it's we've had a little bit of snow, but not much. And it's been like -5. How about you?
Normally we think only in north. This year is weather is changed pattern. So even in south and other areas as well.
Yeah, it's not very nice down here at the moment.
Hope for best, weather will change and best wishes and happy new year. And I'll speak you on Monday and I'll
Yes.
send the things and I'll share with you on the WhatsApp.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you. Bye bye.